This is video 2 of chapter Polynomials for class 10, and now we will study zeros of a polynomial. So let us say I want to draw a polynomial graphically. Okay. Y is equal to 2x plus 3. See, as soon as I put the value of the polynomial 2x plus 3, which is a linear polynomial, I get this graph. Okay, see, a line, and this line, if you see carefully, it is intersecting x-axis at this point, and this point is minus 1.5. So wherever the graph of the polynomial intersects the x-axis, that point, the value of x at that point, is called the zero of the polynomial, right? So for a linear polynomial, any linear polynomial, there is only one zero. Okay, it means it cuts x-axis only at one point. So the zero of this polynomial y is equal to 2x plus 3 is minus 1.5. Also, for your knowledge, I would like to tell you that if you put this value minus 1.5 in the equation itself, equation is 2x plus 3, if you put the value, your answer will be 0. Okay, so it is very exciting to see these things working like this, isn't it? You can take any other polynomial. Let us say y is equal to 4x is minus 8. Okay, so this is the linear polynomial y is equal to 4x minus 8 because it is of the type ax plus b. And you can see again it is a straight line intersecting x-axis at one point. And what is this point? This point is 2, 0. Graphically also you can see this point is 2, 0. Yes. And if you put this value 2 in the equation 4x minus 8, what you'll get? 4 to the 8, 8 minus 8, 0. So this is a very good example of a linear polynomial, and it's 0. Now we'll take a quadratic polynomial. Y is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. See, this is the shape I was talking about in video 1. This is a parabola. Okay, and this quadratic polynomial is intersecting x-axis at 2 points. What is this point? This point is minus 1, right? Let me mark it. Minus 1. So one of the zero of this quadratic polynomial is minus 1. The other one is this side somewhere. Let us find it where it is. Oh, here it is. And if you can see, this is 4. So another zero of this polynomial is 4. On putting x is equal to minus 1, this whole thing is 0. And on putting x is equal to 4, again this whole thing is 0. So zeros of this polynomial are 4 and minus 1. This point should be noted that for a quadratic polynomial, there are always 2 zeros. Okay, always 2 zeros. Right, so now we'll take a cubic polynomial. Y is equal to x cube minus x square. Y is equal to x cube minus x square. So See, this is our y is equal to x cube minus x square. Points I can find. One is this, what it is, 1 0, okay, and other one is this 0 0, okay. So this cubic polynomial is cutting the or touching the x-axis at 2 points only. Maximum a cubic polynomial can intersect or touch x-axis at 3 points maximum. Here it is touching only. So now we'll see a cubic polynomial that will cut the x-axis 3 times, and that polynomial I have taken is 0.1 x cube plus x square minus 0.5, 0.x cube plus x square minus 0.5, and you can see that this curve is cutting the x-axis 3 times. See, this is the curve, 1 2 3. These all 3 points are zeros of this polynomial. Okay, so cubic polynomial can cut maximum 3 times the x-axis, right? Similarly, any polynomial of degree n can cut x-axis maximum n number of times. Okay, so this was all about. Let us come to the exercise. Exercise 2.1 says the graph of y is equal to px are given in the following figures. For some polynomials, find the number of zeros in each case. So this is a linear polynomial, but it is not cutting x-axis, so its number of zeros is 0 because it is cutting x-axis 0 times. It is not cutting. This polynomial is intersecting x-axis at point 1, so number of zeros are 1. 3 points this polynomial is intersecting x-axis, so 3 is the answer. Number of zeros 3. Here number of zeros 2. Number of zeros 1, 2, 3, 4. Here number of zeros 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is it all in exercise number 2.2.